Hi, this is Nicholas Yock, a registered migration and education agent from Pathway to Oz. Today I'm going to discuss what visas can lead to permanent residency in Melbourne. So Melbourne is usually one of the harder places to get permanent residency. And we're always asked by a lot of our students, a lot of clients, what visas do I have for PR? So look, I'm not going to talk about any of the cheat options, the partner visas, the parent visas, anything like that. I'm talking about getting a visa of your own, based on your own education and your own work experience. All right, so the first type of visa which can lead to permanent residency if you are in Melbourne are the general skilled migration visas, okay? So these visas allow you to get permanent residency without needing a company to sponsor your visa. Instead, you submit an expression of interest and you're invited to apply for these visas, okay? So you can be invited for the 189 by the federal immigration, or you can be invited for the 190, which is the state nominated visa, by Victoria Migration. We've got a lot more information on these specific visas, and I'll put the links below so you can check that out. But basically for the 190 state nominated visa, Victoria Migration has been known to probably be the hardest state to get PR. Over the sort of the COVID period and in the previous years, they were really heavily focused on inviting applicants in the healthcare or social assistance or teaching sort of occupations. However, July 1st, all the skill lists closed, they do open again. So we're hoping Victoria expands to a lot more occupations and can invite a lot more, applications and occupations. All right, the next visa pathway that I want to discuss, which can lead to permanent residency, are the employer-sponsored visas. So employer-sponsored visas, firstly, is the permanent employer-sponsored visa 186. So in order to apply for this permanent employer-sponsored visa, you obviously need an employer willing to sponsor your visa, and you need to have 3 years of work experience in an occupation that is on the medium to long-term list, okay? So we'll put the links below so you can get a bit more information on this, but if you do meet those requirements, you may be able to get sponsored. The government has also recently come out and said that they're going to create a PR pathway for applicants on the 482 visa. So basically they've said that they're going to come out and after 2 years allow applicants to progress to the permanent 186 visa. They haven't really provided all the full information on this, but basically what this should allow, theoretically, is that anyone on a 482, so occupations on the short-term stream, should potentially be allowed to progress to the permanent 186 as well. So it really opens up PR options for a whole lot more of different occupations. Now, obviously that hasn't come into law yet, so we are waiting for more confirmation on that, but as soon as we do have an update, we'll let you know. I hope you found that information helpful. We have a lot more videos on the specific requirements for those visas, so be sure to check those out. And if you do have any questions, feel free to contact Pathway to Oz. Thanks.